In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer SSD to PlayStation 5 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PlayStation 5 Pro and you used to have an SSD on the older one or you bought a new one, installing it is extremely simple. You can either transfer a pre-existing SSD from your old console or acquire a new one. Make sure that you purchase an SSD that is fully compatible with PlayStation systems. Usually, it is going to be an M.2 and an NVMe, and they are going to have some sort of indicator that they are compatible with the PlayStation 5. The very first thing to do is to remove this top cover. So it is going to come apart after you gently push it out. Make sure that you pull it up gently and these latches will undo. So reinstalling it later is simple. You just align everything and you press it down. It is going to take a little bit of force, but as long as you do it gently in the proper side, you will be able to remove it. Now, the SSD cover will be exposed like this. As you can see, the very first thing that you have to do is undo this screw here. So undo this screw and this metal cover is going to come off. So set it aside for now. Now, with the SSD slot exposed, you can grab your SSD that you will be using. Most of them will have a set length, and in order to accommodate the SSD, you need to realign the standoff. So you will notice that there is this little screw or this little post that is essentially a standoff. This standoff is needed to align the screw with the SSD. So make sure that you align it properly. Most likely, you will be placing it on this hole here that I've highlighted. So you can count 1, 2, 3, and then you place it on the 4th. If you notice that your SSD is longer or smaller, then adjust it accordingly. But for most people, I believe that this placement is ideal. So put the standoff here, and to actually install the SSD, set it on an angle. So you need to place it down like this on an angle. Make sure that the circuit board here is properly aligned and touching. And as long as you clicked it in place, it will go down in its own. With this done, it should be aligned with the standoff that I mentioned earlier here, and then you can simply screw it down with the provided screw. Make sure that you do this gently and that you hold it into place while you screw down. And with this done, the next time that you power it on, the SSD will be detected and usable. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer SSD to PlayStation 5 Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.